Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and isolating the headset so you can work safely. Remove wireless dongle or unplug USB. Once done, visually inspect cables, connectors, microphone boom, and ear cups for obvious damage because physical faults are common. Make sure your PC or console recognizes the device and that Logitech GHUB is installed. Open GHUB, confirm firmware status, and disable any conflicting audio apps so you can proceed with clean diagnostics. Next, update firmware and drivers. You need stable software to rule out glitches. Open G-Hub, install available firmware, then uninstall audio drivers, reboot, and let the system redetect hardware to clear driver corruption. Once done, run a loopback test and speak into the mic while watching input meters. This isolates mic versus system audio problems. Also test on a second device or phone using a 3.5 mm cable to determine whether the issue is headset hardware or the host. Finally, address hardware repairs methodically. Swap cables and ports to eliminate host-side faults, then try the dongle or battery on another device. If you're out of warranty and comfortable, open the headset to inspect solder joints, connectors, and the battery. Loose or corroded contacts are a frequent cause. Replace worn ear pads, mic booms, or batteries with OEM parts. If problems persist, one key tip: test the headset via a direct wired connection. If wired works but wireless fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.